So how can you undo the cinema effect on the iPhone? Let me show you how it works. Let's get started. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe so you're not gonna miss anything important. Well, as you know, instead of the the camera app, you can switch the video mode to the cinematic, which will then blur out the background and it will focus on the subject, which might be nice, but if you don't like it, just locate your cinematic video inside of your gallery and just make it go full screen. And then at the bottom, we have the edit, with editing tools. And as you can see, you can adjust some different things. Like you can see that you get to change the focus, right? So you can, for example, blur out some different parts of that, right? Or whatever. It can track some different things. So it works out fine. But you also have the ability to click on the video option in the bottom and adjust the depth, right? And you can slide it all the way to the right where it can show you that it's turned off. And in that case, you can see that the background is no longer blurry anymore. The subject doesn't stand in the foreground, and you just turn off the cinematic feature, right? So you undid the cinema effect, right? You can also make it go in between. So perhaps you change the aperture, it's the F setting to f2.0 to something else. And the more you slide to the right, the less blurry the background will be. So you can see you have much more control over it. But again, if you slide it all the way to the right, it will turn off the cinema effect altogether. So let me know in the comments below if that's what you wanted, if you managed to do it. Thanks a lot. And as I said, subscribe so you don't miss these types of videos in the future. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.